Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use image to image in Leonardo AI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Leonardo AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you can see options like Home, Models, Create, My Library, and more. Tap on Create, then select Image Generation from the options given on your screen. Now, under Image Generation, you're going to find categories like Prompt, Negative Prompt, Fine-Tuned Model, Image Guidance, and other standard options. Well, you're going to have to type in the prompt, be very descriptive, and you can also type in negative prompt where you can type what you don't want to see. Now scroll down and find image guidance, under which you're gonna find select an image. Tap on it, then you can see you can select an image from your generations photo library. You can take a photo or simply paste an image. Select one of those, then select the picture. Now go back and tap on generate from the bottom of your screen. Now it might take a couple seconds, then you'll be completed with the image to image function in Leonardo AI. And guys, that's it. That's how you use image to image in Leonardo AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.